Hello, my name is Dr. Campbell. I'm with Mary here, and she's had some experiences as physicians of traditional Chinese medicine, and we'd like to have her share her experiences. So the camera's all yours, Mary.
I would like to thank Dr. Campbell so very much. He was my last resort. I had difficulty. I could not lift my left arm, and I had had surgery on it, and was thinking I would need a rotator cuff surgery again, but I've had multiple surgeries on my joints, and I did not want to get cut on anymore. I had difficulty walking. I had joint pain in my left leg, and Dr. Campbell first helped me with my shoulder. I was not able to lift it. I could go as far as that, and after his treatment, I was able to lift it without any pain. And the other things he helped me with, multiple things he helped me with, is I had had a knee replacement on the right knee, and my tibia, the calf of the muscle, was swollen, and I had no feeling in it after the replacement. So he treated me for that, and now I have feeling in the leg. Also the toes, he helped that because they were painful when I walked. He treated that, and I could go on. And then my hip, I had trouble walking because of hip pain and knee pains. So after the treatments, he treated my hip, and now I don't have any hip pain. So I'm so grateful because I've had 20 surgeries with anesthesia, and these all had side effects, and I absolutely do not want any more surgeries. I'm 86 years old, and so I'm so happy I came to see Dr. Campbell because he's helped me so much. I feel like almost like I have a new body. I get a new.
Oh God, you've made my day. I'm glad we've been able to help you. So God bless, and take care.
Thank you.